In this video, we are going to look at how to use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is used to change the appearance of cells in a range based on your specified conditions. Let's say you want to format this table. Now, you know what formatting means. Formatting simply means changing the appearance of something. I can change the color of these cells to a background of red or any other color I want. Bold, I can bold this number. Formatting simply means changing the way something looks. In this case, we are looking at conditional formatting. Formatting based on a condition. Say these are the scores of students in a class, and you want to format to know which students scored above 70. You want to apply some colors, a particular color, to scores that are above 70. What you do is to highlight the cells you want to apply conditional formatting to. Go to Home and click on the arrow beside conditional formatting. Click on Highlight Cell Rules, and you want this greater than rule. There are several rules you can apply. You have less than rule, between, equal to, text that contains, and so on. So I want to apply a rule that states that the scores should be greater than 70. So I'll click on greater than. You will get this dialog box. The next is for you to enter the minimum number you want to apply, then click on OK. So you get colors on numbers greater than 70. So you can highlight again and apply conditional formatting for numbers less than 30 or 40 to identify students that failed. So click on this and go to less than. So let's apply colors to numbers less than 40. Click on OK. You can change the color here. Click on this arrow to change the color formatting. Say I want the figures below 40 to have green fill with dark green text. Click on it and click on OK. So as you can see, the scores with the green color are the scores less than 40. So that's how to apply conditional formatting. You can apply it in so many ways. Say you want to identify duplicates in your data. Go to Home, click on conditional formatting and go to duplicates. So duplicate values, click on it. Then you can click on OK and you can change the color. So click on OK to identify the data that comes up more than once. Once you identify the ones that are duplicated, you can then delete the extra data you have in your data sets and leave the unique ones. So many ways to use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is simply used to apply special colors to your data so that it makes more meaning to whoever wants to study the data.